So hello everyone, this is Sivansh and I am damn sure that if you watch this video completely, this can change your life completely. So in this video we'll discuss about the book which can change your personality, which can change your financial status, which can change you in a every way. You can see yourself at some other point if you read this book carefully. And one thing I would like to clearly mention here that no book is bad, no book is good. Every book gives out some value. We have to respect each book. We have to gain knowledge from each book. Whatever our domain, whatever we want from that book, we have to firstly watch in that index part. We have to choose the points which we have to study. We should gain some value, gain some knowledge, and that should be the main point which should be kept in mind. These 6 books are my personal favorite, and if you are reading some book or anything, then you can continue that, and after completing that you can come on this book or you can read whatever you want. Just reading the book is the most important thing. Which book you will read is completely other thing. So keep reading and let's start discussing about these 6 books. So on the very first place, I would like to place Rich Dad and Poor Dad book. This book will tell you about the choices in your life. In this book, the writer has 2 fathers. One is his own father and another is his friend's father. And both the fathers had different mindset. One is very rich, one is very poor. Because of their mindsets, both are equally skilled, both are educationally equal. But the thing is the mindset, the attitude, and that's the difference what created between their levels. So in this book, you will learn about the choices in your life. It has a very rich knowledge about the financial things also. So you can refer it out if you want. And these numbering are just for the sake of simplicity. It's not an order or priority type of things. It's just for the sake of simplicity. Number 2 is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This one is very famous. This will teach you about personal development and how to talk anyone. And this book is very famous because of its examples. It has a proper storytelling things. So this book can be helpful for you in improving your communication skills. Now the next book is The Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Now if you are thinking that your hard work is not giving out values, you have many questions in your mind. You are thinking about that your life is not changing, you are just stuck in your life. No one is loving you, you have no way, you have no path to go on. So this book will be completely helpful, and I would suggest that you should start with this book only if you have all these questions in your mind. Highly returning and just precious book. Next one is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Again, this book is a category of financial education book. So if you want answers regarding your wealth, your happiness and wealth, how to relate happiness with wealth, so all these answers you can get easily in this book. It is highly recommended book for all those future CEOs and directors who want to earn money. So it is highly recommended by me to all those who want wealth in their future. Number 5th book is the book which has not been written yet in the world. It is one of itself and no one is in comparison with this book. I have heard from a lot of people about this. This book answers your every question, your every doubt. Then you can relate everything, every part, every piece of your life in this book. And if you start that book, you can feel that this book is really relatable. You can think that it is written for me only. The last book of our list is The Warren Buffett Way. It is a book for the investor, for the stock marketers who would like to learn how to invest. If you are beginner in stock market and investment, how to manage your wealth, how to invest your money, so you can start with it. This book is very big and lengthy. It has mainly story of Warren Buffett, and after that there is something important about the investment. But firstly go through the index and check out the part which you want to like to study. So these 6 books are my personal suggestion. And as I already discussed in the video that every book is highly returning, highly value giving. I have attached some websites from where you can get free books, but prefer buying hard copies because hard copies has their own essence. So if you buy book and read by these books, so you can mark down the important points and you can make your notes which can be helpful for revision purpose. And yeah, if you want more such valuable and informative video, so please hit the subscribe button, like this video for my motivation, share this video to all your friends so that they can also get information about these things. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, then drop down in comment. I will surely check it out. And thank you very much to be here till the last.